Today, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Bookings to set up office hours in a simple, streamlined way. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a dedicated booking page where people can grab a time slot with you, and you won't have to manually send out meeting links or juggle emails back and forth. Let's start from inside Microsoft Bookings. Once you're logged in and looking at your Bookings home or calendar view, look for the option to create a new meeting type. You should see a plus sign, usually shown as a small plus icon. Go ahead and click that plus sign to create a new meeting type. This is what will become your office hours option that people will see when they go to book time with you. After you click the plus sign, you'll be taken to a setup page where you can define the basic details. In the section labeled something like basic info, give your new meeting type a clear, simple name. Type in office hours. Using a straightforward title makes it obvious to your students, colleagues, or clients what this meeting is for. Next, set the duration. This is how long each office hour appointment will last. You might choose 15 minutes if you want quick check-ins, or 30 minutes if you expect more detailed conversations. Think about what usually happens in your office hours. If it's brief questions or quick clarifications, 15 minutes might be enough. If you often dive into complex topics, 30 minutes could be better. Don't worry too much. You can always come back and adjust this later if you find the length isn't quite right. Now let's set up how people will actually meet with you. Look for the location section. Here you'll see an option to toggle a Teams meeting on or off. Turn the Teams meeting toggle to ON. This is important because it tells Microsoft Bookings to automatically generate a Microsoft Teams link for every office hours appointment. That means you don't have to manually send out video links for each booking, and your attendees will receive everything they need in their confirmation email. It saves time and avoids confusion, especially if you're meeting with many people. The most important part of this setup is customizing your availability. By default, Microsoft Bookings might be set to use your regular meeting hours, which are usually pulled from your calendar settings. That might not match the specific windows you want to offer office hours. To fix this, look for the option that says use my regular meeting hours and change it to use customized availability hours. Once you switch to customized availability, you'll be able to define exactly when people can book office hours with you. For example, you might decide that office hours are only available on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 2 to 4 p.m. Customizing this ensures that office hours don't spill into times when you're teaching, in meetings, or doing focused work. It also creates a predictable pattern for the people booking time with you so they know when you're available each week. After you've set the name, duration, Teams meeting toggle, and customized hours, review your settings to make sure everything looks right. Then save your new office hours meeting type. You're now ready to share your booking link so others can start reserving time with you automatically.